Good morning, good morning, good morning, guys. Another day in Mexico, in Guadalajara. So I was checking out a couple of videos talking about birria, which is the birria taco. So everybody doing this birria taco. But where's the birria taco for the vegans? While I've seen enough recipes, I ain't cooking. They ain't cooking, so why we gotta cook? So it gotta be a spot to have the birria tacos. Shout out to all the ones that took the time to make the birria tacos, but everybody don't want to cook, right? And then also a sandwich that is known in Guadalajara. I think it's I can't think of the name of it, but it's like a French dip. Anyway, seeing it on the birria from Tamron Hall and other tasty treats that is indigenous to Mexico and especially Guadalajara, I was like, you know what? We need to find a vegan. So we are on a hunt to find the birria taco and have it made just like everybody else have it made. Okay? Alright, so I think I found at least one or two spots that chooses not to be disrespectful to vegans. So stay tuned. So I found this place looking online, trying to find something that would accommodate us for birria, everything that's indigenous to this area. So just to give you an idea, look at these tacos.
Birria, tacos con chorizo, tofu en salsa verde.
So birria,
Yeah.
tacos,
Taco con chorizo
y
tofu en salsa verde.
look at that. And check this out. This is the Torta Ahogada. I will get it.
Yeah.
Okay.
It
Very
means-
good. So this place is completely vegan with all of the traditional Mexican dishes that we might be craving or we might not be able to take or partake in because it's made with meat. I found a vegan spot and it's called La Flaca and it's in Guadalajara. So I'm excited. And really, in Mexico, you can't go wrong with good guacamole. Local crafted kombucha. Is mandarin ginger flavor. So pretty good. But let's try the birria. They make it with several different species of mushrooms in the birria sauce, and it is delicious. I actually brought company with me because I know that there's gonna be a host of things to try, and there's no way. There's a lot of food. I'll tell you about the other taco. I don't even know what taco this is, to be honest with you. But it's another, I forgot what he said. Honestly, I don't know what I'm tasting. All I can say is I'm tasting flavor. I think it's supposed to be like Hugo de Reyes. It's this other thing. I think that's what he called it. Hugo de Reyes. Hugo the mushroom. But it comes with a side of tortilla. So, you know I like my spice. And I just bit down on a sauce that they have here, honey, that is hot. But let's try the Hugo de Res. And even though we got knife and fork, I'm just gonna do it the way that they would normally do it and have it all dripping and, you know. It's a taco. It's a taco and juice. I think it's meant to be sloppy, right? So, that with the salsa. So, here we go. And it has like a vegan bacon on it, so it's like a mix of mushrooms and a rich, the closest I could say is maybe beefy sauce, but it's not beef. That's amazing. And the torta ahogada, it just looked messy because it's just dripping with sauce. And look at this. Ciao. It's the sauce for me. No, it's all delicious. This is delicious. But no need in you seeing me chow down. I'm sure you'll see the outcome with a very good kombucha. Alright, see you. What can I say?
Thank you, God.
A happy heart is a happy heart. For anybody that's in the Guadalajara area, I have to say La Flaca is definitely the spot to go to get all of the foods that they tell us about, but in vegan forms. Their kombucha, which was really, really good. It was tangerine ginger, or ginger tangerine. Vegancito, which is their Twinkie. It's a chocolate Twinkie. All of this stuff is vegan. Chocolate Twinkie with cream, but vegan cream and a jam inside, which clearly not eating right now. That's gonna be for later. Pan de Muertos is actually, so it's actually the dessert of Dia de los Muertos. Dia de los Muertos. Yeah, say that 3 times fast. Man, all of this for less than $25. Where else can you do that for vegan food? But in Mexico. Definitely check it out. So, that's it. Woo! Shout out to Alex and Adam at La Flaca in Guadalajara. Now you know, to get all the Mexican treats, I would say check out La Flaca in Guadalajara on Chapultepec. So that about sums it up this time. If you like the footage, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified for the next footage that I send. So listen, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.